If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. This specific stop scrolling right now. This is proving to be hands down incredible. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple. It is super lightweight and durable. It brings professional level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it delivers outstanding results instantly. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without the heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it today without any delay. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a